Guys, welcome to my channel RC Speed96. Today's video RC unboxing Lamborghini in red color 1.12 scale. There is a picture of him on the other side of the box and on the other side orange color. Speed card radio control 1.12 scale RC. This side is in yellow and all the information about it is written under the box. This is the top side. Before opening, look down again. Now let's open it with blade. We have opened the box and now let's take it out. Looks like he's not coming out because of the heat. Now I will try again. So we have taken out our Lamborghini. Look how good it looks. The back side and the left side. And this is the front side. Lamborghini and Land Cruiser V8, my favorite car. Which your favorite? Tell me comments. This is the retina that signals it remote. Attach it to the remote. Here is the remote. This is his battery, which has been combined for 5 cells, and that is his charger. Open the bottom side of the car and put it inside. We have to put its battery inside it. Let's close it from the outside. Now open the remote and put Asal in it. These two cells, put it in and close it. This little car looks like a real big car, Lamborghini. It's his retina and now our remote is on. Now let's check the speed test. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like the video and tell us how it is. And don't forget to subscribe RC Speed 96 if you want to see more good and beautiful videos and drag race Lamborghini and Bugatti Veyron.